We are going to quickly learn the basic steps on how you can use Bulb digital portfolios with Microsoft Teams. It starts with understanding the purpose of your two tools. Teams has many functions, but mainly it is to manage the distribution and return of assignments or post resources. Bulb is where individual work is created and collected over time, demonstrating growth and showcasing accomplishment. Let's start looking at these tools from the teacher perspective. If you want, but you don't have to, you can first set up quick link tabs in your Microsoft Teams for you and your students. You can link the Bulb sign-in page. This will open Bulb within an iframe inside of Teams. You'll notice you are logged in by your name in blue in the upper right-hand corner. You can also put a link to your portfolio profile or class collection for quick access for students, so students can easily go to the resource page or templates that you've created for the class. You are not required to set up either of these quick tabs to use Bulb with Teams. Next, you will start by creating in Bulb. Create an assignment template or a multimedia resource page. A template is something you will want students to copy into their portfolio and edit and complete the assignment. A resource page is a view only and showcases different links and media. Next, you will publish your page using a private share link. Click Publish, create private share link. Now use the blue clipboard to copy the private URL, as you will use this link to post back into Teams. If this is a template, select the template checkbox. And then don't forget to finalize your publishing by clicking the blue Publish at the bottom of the modal. Next, create your assignment in Teams just like you do with other assignments. Provide instructions and then paste the share link URL from the Bulb page or collection. Then complete other items in the assignment like point value and save. Now we will look at the student workflow. Students will open up the assignment within Teams. They will see the URL from the Bulb template page. It'll open the page and they will click on Use Template at the top of the page. Now an editable copy of the page will show up in their profile. Now they can edit the template and add text and media. If they're not using a template, students can always create a blank page in Bulb by clicking the blue New Page on their profile. Once students finish the page, they'll need to publish it. Click the blue Publish in the upper right-hand corner. Create a private share link, and then use the clipboard to copy the private link, because they will use that URL to turn into the assignment within Teams. To make that private link active, click Publish at the bottom of the modal. Next, students will go into Teams and open up the assignment. Select Add Work, click Link, and then paste the private share link URL. Now that the students have submitted their assignment, the teacher has the ability to easily view the work, grade, and leave comments. Within Teams, teachers go to the student's assignment. They will notice the student's URL posted on the right-hand side. Click on that link and it will open up the student's Bulb page in a new tab. Teachers can leave inline comments on text or any media within the Bulb page. These comments remain in Bulb and do not post inside Teams. Students do get a notification in their Bulb activity feed when comments are made. Finally, the teacher can flip back to the Teams tab and leave a grade or feedback within the Teams platform, and then move to the next student's turned in work. For questions or more information, go to help.bulbapp.com.